Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy A34. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose here Settings. Now go into Google Assistant and in this menu find Hey Google and Voice Match option. Now tap here on this switcher to activate your OK Google. Then need to give access to your assistant. Tap Next and here I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Tap Continue. And not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.